Hi everyone. Every beach town is different and each beach town has its own vibe. Most tourists visiting Northern California Pacific Coast either visit Santa Cruz Boardwalk, which I have covered in a different video, or Monterey Bay, which I'll be covering in future. There is a quaint beach town called Capitola between these two hotspots, which usually gets missed by many. Here are some shots of the beach and the town. There is also an amazing English ale house in this town, or husband's daycare as they like to call it, that I think is a must visit. Link to the location is in the description. This ale house also has a membership called the Mug Club, where if you buy a mug, you can either take it with you or they can keep it for you and you can ask for that mug next time you're here to get member benefits. These are the mugs you see hanging on the wall here. They also have an option of flight where you can try different beers before you pick one. I love their Fat Lip Amber Ale. They also have hand pressed porter, which is not carbonated, which you don't get that in many places. It's a small family-owned establishment brewing English-style beer for over 20 years now. This ale house is a cozy, comfortable vibe, and I would recommend all husbands to take their time off and use this daycare facility when in Santa Cruz area. Awesome beer on a hot summer day, great company and fun conversations made my day. I also learned about a July 4th tradition, a hot dog eating competition, and that the current US champion is Joey Chestnut, who is from San Jose. After long conversations, I just didn't realize the time fly by, and as the sun set and the birds were starting to head back along with the surfers, it was time to head back home.